What's up, recteq family? I'm Chef Greg, and do you enjoy a really good rib sandwich? Maybe your favorite establishment only has that famous rib sandwich for like, I don't know, 2 weeks out of the year. Not today. We're going to show you how to make the McRay. It is delicious. We got the RT 590 burning those Kingsford Hickory Pellets, 275 degrees. It's time to prep these ribs.
The most exciting day in sports!
It's game time.
With the best recipes.
The best fuel.
And the best grill.
It's time for the big game
At the recteq.
These are some amazing St. Louis ribs, but to get this going, we got to get this membrane off, and I'm a fan of the paper towel method. I take my thumb and kind of loosen up that membrane and then just grab a hold of it with that paper towel. And if these ribs, nope, sure didn't. Does your membrane come off in one piece? Because mine sure as heck didn't. It's okay, just get the paper towel and then go for more. How many pieces do you think this membrane is going to come off? I mean, just let me know. I look like an amateur up here. Again. God, it's 3. This has never happened before. That's 4. 5 pieces. If you commented 5, you're right. 5 times. I'm going to go hang my head in shame. I feel embarrassed. A little humiliated. Back to this McRay. We're going to go ahead and take a little bit of your favorite yellow mustard and kind of slather it all over. And it's just going to act like rib glue. That's it. Just seasoning glue. That's it. If you don't like mustard, use it anyway. All right, a couple different rubs. We're going to use that. Does the recipe say Dirty Gurl? Because that's what you told me earlier. Okay, I've got competition and I've got Rossarooski's.
You got Dirty Gurl and Rossarooski honey rib.
All right, our first layer of flavor is going to be that Dirty Gurl Bloody Mary rub. It's going to give us some good saltiness, some good umami with that horseradish, a little spice. Then we're going to come over the top with that Rossarooski's honey rib rub. Now, you want to be kind of generous with this one. It's going to give you that good bark, that flavor. And after you season the side, kind of let it rest a little bit, okay? And that way, that seasoning will absorb into that rib. Okay, you can always take your hand and just kind of push it on there. That's what I'm talking about. You can't overdo it. All right, so we're going to let these rest for like maybe 30 minutes before they go on the recteq. Here's why. That salt's going to kind of penetrate into that rib. That seasoning is going to hydrate, and that's what gives you that good bark. Enough time for us to address the 2 elephants in the room. And by elephants, I mean the kosher dill pickle and the onion. I don't like raw onion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pickle these onions with some of that kosher pickle juice. Very simple. Just dump it on top of the onions. That's it. Leave it alone. Pickled onions. Who'd have thunk it? RT 590, 275 degrees for about 2 hours, 2 hours, 20 minutes. We're going to wrap these bad boys up. See you at the recteq. Time for the McRay to come to its conclusion or fruition, however you want to look at that. We pulled all those bones out, easy peasy lemon squeezy. I put a little more sauce in there for extra measure because I'm a sauce kind of guy. John, you like sauce on your ribs? He likes sauce on his ribs too. We've got a really good crusty piece of bread here. You know, I told you I'm a sauce kind of guy. I'm going to hit that bread with a little bit of that recteq Gourmet BBQ Sauce because I want this to like be that drippy, like down the elbow kind of sandwich, just like that. All right, these ribs, I'm telling you, they are super, super tender, just like that. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. It's time for some pickles. A little bit of that pickled red onion. A little more sauce. A little more honey rib rub. If your rib sandwich doesn't look like that, what are you doing? There's no adjectives to describe this. But if you guys want to make an amazing McRay sandwich, make sure you like and subscribe to recteq and Kingsford's YouTube channel for more amazing content for the big game. See you at the recteq.